Welcome back. Today we're turning your slide decks into clickable interactive experiences using hyperlinks and action buttons, perfect for pitch decks, e-learning, and dashboards. Linear slides work for storytelling, but interactive navigation gives your audience control. Let's see how we can build that experience. First, let's link slides together. Select a text or shape, right-click and choose Link. Then pick Place in this document and select your target slide. PowerPoint also includes built-in action buttons. These add intuitive navigation like back or home buttons. Just insert one, right-click, and assign an action, link it to a slide, URL, or even run a program. Hyperlinks aren't limited to slides. You can link to external websites, documents, or email addresses. Want a dashboard-style presentation? Design a central menu and link each icon or section title to the appropriate slide. With hyperlinks and action buttons, your PowerPoint can function like an app or interactive report. In the next video, we'll explore embedding multimedia and using screen recordings to enrich your message. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.